In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add friends on Steam without paying. For gamers, Steam is an essential platform for connecting with friends and fellow players. Adding friends on Steam allows for cooperative gameplay and social interaction. However, Steam typically requires users to spend at least $5 to send friends an invite. Here are 3 methods to bypass this restriction and add friends for free. 1. Using the friend code. Open the Steam app and navigate to the Friends section. Click Add a Friend and enter your friend's Steam code. And once their profile appears, click on Send Invite to add them as friend. The second method is using the search option. In the Steam app or website, use the search bar to find your friend's profile. Click on their profile, then click on Add as Friend to send a friend request. And the third method is using Quick Invite. Open Steam and go to the Friends section and select Add a Friend. Click Copy next to the invite link and share it with your friend, so they can open the link, log in to Steam, and accept your friend request. And that's it, guys. By using these methods, you can add friends on Steam without spending any money. Enjoy gaming and connecting with your friends. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.